How to set back tap or double tap to open Classic Invert on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down, then tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down, and in here, tap on Touch. After that, we scroll down to the bottom, and then tap on Back Tap. In here, you can choose double tap, triple tap. So I'm going to select double tap, and then we scroll down, and in here select Classic Invert, and that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now just double tap at the back of the phone to turn on Classic Invert, or double tap on it again to switch it off. And that's it. That is how you can turn on or turn off Classic Invert using double tap on the iPhone 16 or the 16 Pro or the Pro Max. Thank you for watching this video.